With this update, you can now use the downloaded Blender file within the asset browser. Procedural Art Thorn version 2.0 now has a realistic shader for both the Thorn body and the tips, and the meandering of the Thorn body looks more natural. You can also draw more thorns in the Curve Objects edit mode using the Draw function. This node's setup means you can have many thorns in one curve object. Now, let's take a quick tour of the main interface in version 2.0. Functionally, it's essentially the same as version 1. The key difference is that this version focuses more on the individual thorn strands, and we can no longer create continuous, connected thorn vines. Let's move to the main shape panel. When random tilt is checked, the main shape will have a non-uniform twist or irregular torsion. This introduces greater diversity in the shape options for the thorn strands. With the meander count, we can adjust the density of the thorn strands curves or curviness. Unlike the previous version, the thorn radius will now automatically match the length of each curve segment instead of a fixed value. This ensures compatibility with any size you have drawn. When the random radius function is enabled, you can introduce greater size variation in the thorn strands, especially when the thorn count is set to a value greater than 1. Min controls the minimum radius value. You can change the seed to generate different randomizations. The material setup has been customized specifically for this node setup to more realistically depict the body of the thorn strand and the sharp tips. The biggest new feature in this release is slide animation. While the old version only allowed animation for one continuous thorn strand, version 2.0 lets you animate individual curve segments. You now have a factor control that drives the animation for all thorns generated from that segment. Pro tip: to get the best results, pay close attention to the order in which the thorns are created and the direction start and end points of your curve segments when you draw them in edit mode. In the random stagger menu, the first curve segment created will have the highest factor value, while the remaining curve segments will have smaller, randomized factor values. This is designed to simulate a sliding action with a delay or offset. This behavior contrasts with the simultaneous slide animation, where the movement occurs uniformly across all segments. Thank you so much to everyone who has already purchased the product. And to those who haven't yet, thank you for taking the time to watch this entire product introduction video. Thank you all so much. My cat loves you so much.